In the following, I'm going to demonstrate some issues I have for the auto-scaling group. Just to know that right now I have successfully created a classic a load balancer, elastic bulk balancer, and I have also successfully created a EC2 instance here, and it's running well. So I'm going to actually uh, attach the running instance to the load balancer, so you will do some health check. Health check being uh, checking whether this file is available. Okay. Um, okay. So right now what I'm going to do is to actually very simply uh, just at the instance I add this one to it. I add the EC2 running with script. Basically, the script does it's a user data which is a bone shell. Okay, the bone shell, the content of the bone shell. Let me show. It's here. B shell recursive. Okay, it's install the Apache server and then copy the the two pages to the Apache web directory. One is the index page, the other is the health check, and then start the server. That's all. Okay, that's as far as the script is concerned at the user data. I noticed that. Okay, so just to say that, show you that actually these are the two files at the S3, sorry, uh, bucket, which is located, which is global. Okay, supposedly S3, you can go to anywhere. So if you look at this one and then if you click on it, you should be able to see hello this. And then as well as if I come back here and then show you the other things here, you will see I'm healthy, something like that. Error. Oh, okay, I have not. Maybe because of this. So I have not actually set the property uh, to be to the dimension to be readable by everyone here. Okay, read objects, save. All right. I'm not sure whether it is now. It's yes. So I'm not sure whether it is for this reason or not. I'm not sure. But if now I click again here, you should be able to see I'm healthy. So that's basically the things. So the script, as I mentioned, uh, another one, window. The script is actually to copy from the bucket all the files to the Apache directory, so that when it starts, you will actually be able to respond with the index page as well as the healthy check that is run by the load balancer will be successful. Okay, so right now I come back to the here, then I will add this instance to the load balancer. Just now I was okay, so now it's been successfully added, and the load balancer, because the health check was this, so it will indeed try to check the existence of the load balancer or not. So it's in service. So it's quite clear that this one has been attached successfully. I also noticed that when I do the auto scale, the availability zone is between two. So I'm going to simulate that by having another instance similar to the one that I show you and do it actually put it in the zone A, I mean another availability zone. So launch one like this. Here I will configure this one, and then the only difference is that I will also put this one in zone B, zone A. So I think this one, that's all. Everything is review and launch. Just launch it uh, again. Okay, once it's launched, I'm going to put it at the back of this balancer, classic balancer, and I hope I'll be able to see it's being monitored by the balancer. But the balancer availability zone is 2, so it should cover 2 area, because I suspect uh, the auto configuration, I mean auto scaling, is the zone issues, but I think it is not. Okay, so let's see whether the EC2 instance has been launched successfully or not. So now I'm coming back here. Okay, wow, it's taken a long time. Don't know why. Yeah, okay. Yeah, instance. Coming back. Okay, so yeah, both of them are running now. Okay, actually it's the same name, it's just a different zone. So I'm going to attach these as well to edit the instance, add another one there, which is the same, but it is availability zone is a different one. Okay, this one you can see is A, and this one is a B. Okay, so save. So now it's out of service, but then later on, because it will do the same, so I think that one has no issues. Okay, once it's running already, still initializing. So let's see. In service. So both the health check is successful, and then if you actually go to the page in D, you will see by copying the public address, you will see that is actually the index page is being served, right? Okay, well, okay. Hello, I'm Paul Wu. So, so this one shows that uh, the classic electric load balancer is able to cover 2 availability zone, and having 2 instances there as the health check is the same. Okay, you can do the health check. Okay, another way to maybe to demonstrate that. Another thing to demonstrate is uh, the is to log into it. So just now we have look at the instance. So this is the IP address. So copy here, and then if we go to this one, we can do SSH into EC2 user at this one. My EC2 prem. Okay, so it can actually go into it. And so here, if you go to var HTML, sorry, var, you can see the HTML is there, and then the 2 file that was copied from the S3 bucket is successfully copied here. That's why. But then if I removed I am healthy, okay, sorry, if I move I am healthy to btxt, move cannot. Oh, permission denied. Okay, but let's say sudo as super user issuing the same command. Move I am healthy to b.txt is moved. So then, in this case, if you come back here, I forgot which instance. I think this one, this will be out of service because the health check. Oh, okay, this one will be out of service in zone A. But then if I come back here by moving the btxt to im healthy.txt, then this one, the health check will, will resume to be healthy. hmm But it's not doing that. Strange. In service, so it's recover. So yeah, so that is okay because basically I have tried is to actually uh, create a, a classic load balancer. Okay, uh, sorry, a classic load balancer having two instances across the zone, and then it's being checked, and the script is using uh, the script that the two instances uh, have has been so-called successfully copy these two script this script here. Okay, right now, okay, so the next step I'm going to do is to using auto scaling to attach instance to the this classic elastic load balancer. But although I also use the same script, but it doesn't seem that the files are being copied successfully. So this is my questions: how to overcome this? Okay, so now I'm going to remove this load balancer from the load balancer. These two, both of them got removed, and then I'm going to use auto scaling to to auto scaling uh, to handle the creation of the instance attaching to the load balancer, and then see whether you will do health check, and then if it's not healthy you will abort and then create the automatic aborting and launching of process. Create auto scaling group here, um, create a new one. Next step, so we will use a standard instance type like the my EC one, right? So the name would be my launch configuration 3. This is the uh, okay. So that is the first things that we're going to do. Hold on.